Good evening, T-Speak at 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 9:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. So as we've been talking about the last few days, we did indeed fall through here on Bitcoin. So let's start with Bitcoin. We came down to almost the 60,271, right about 61,000 we came right to on the nose. Now we have 62,360 as resistance. And we have fallen back down. The one thing that's noticeable in the 5-minute, the volume's atrocious on this going back up. We're crashing volume even on this price rise. This is extremely bearish. I think a lot of people are expecting a big rebound here, but I don't necessarily think we're going to get it. I think we're going to continue to the downside and retest 60,271, and that's actually the true fall point to see if we're going to get any kind of bounce. But I totally could see us coming down to 53,000 way down there, and we've been talking why. We're on the downside of these moving averages. And once you start breaking bearish through these, it gets very ugly very quickly. And this is what I had drawn out a while ago. So we're going to see what happens if we can get down here, because this is starting to get to a point where Bitcoin's getting very dangerous. You want to see a break over 62,360 right now. It's just that simple. Total crypto market cap. We talked about this as well, that we're going to come back down into this area. Look where we circled it and look where it dropped. That is dead on the money at 2.65 trillion. I always say I'm the best in the business for a reason. It's not because I'm gloating. It's just I really believe that. Because I'm not biased, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen. If the total crypto market cap is bullish, I'm going to tell you. If it's bearish, I'm going to tell you. If it changes from what I think, I'll tell you that too, because I'm not stuck to an opinion, because I go by the day-to-day technicals. Now what we have to figure out is how far is this going to go. Came right down to our level. I mean, I could not have gotten that more dead on. So now we got to see, because what we're noticing is we had some volume breakdowns, but we're not getting any kind of major pullback here. It's just basically stagnant, and it looks like it wants to continue down. And the next drop from here, guys, is all the way down at 2.5 trillion. So that's what I'm expecting to happen. We could get a bounce back to 275, but I doubt it. At this point, I really doubt it. We're not getting any kind of real bounce back. So then you get the Bitcoin market cap in the dominance chart. We talked about it yesterday, how we were about to bounce up. We were rounding this bottom, and we talked about how it could be mainly because of a crash, but we talked about going up to 44.50. So we're on our way. So we're on the top side on the 45-minute, and we're starting to get to the top side of the 200-day here. We're going to see how it reacts to it in the 3-hour and the 2-hour right now. We just got rejected by it. So we're going to see, but we talked about this. This was probably lining up not because Bitcoin was going to have a major jump. We thought everything was going to crash, and that's why the Bitcoin dominance chart was going to actually increase even though Bitcoin was going down. So what that means is the Bitcoin or the altcoins are falling faster than Bitcoin. The Pro shares is down 0.56%, but that is not relevant at this very moment. And we got Tether. We talked about how we could be starting something here. We needed to get back up into the zone. So we thought we were going to pump, but then it broke down. So now we're thinking we might actually dump. And if we get rejected here, that could actually lead us into a dump down to here. So like I said, bullish one day, but bearish, a few weeks later, because it broke down underneath our trend line. And it's just that simple. So I hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button. Turn that bell notification to all. I wanted to come to you with this quick update because I want you to see exactly what's going on, because I believe we could crash even harder here. I don't think it's done yet. So be prepared. I try to show you the landscape of the total crypto market, but this is a Bitcoin emergency.